Hello everyone, yeah, welcome back once again. This is on-chain mode, and in this guide I'm going to be showing some of you that say that you don't know how to enable the Fibonacci Retracement Tool in your MT5 or MetaTrader, or you don't even know how to, in case you don't also know how to add the key levels into your MetaTrader trading accounts right inside the indicator, the Fibonacci indicator, then this guide is for you. Ensure you watch this guide to the end and take your time and practice it perfectly so that you be able to know how to set it up. Having full understanding of how to set up your Fibonacci levels also help you to enter the market accurately, and also you can also use the tool to set your stop losses. So I'll be showing you how to do all of that right here. So watch this video to the end and let's get started. Alright, so the first thing to do is to tap on your screen, okay? After you've logged into the app, you've linked in your brokerage account or your real account, or you want to use the demo account. Now, what you have to do now is to just tap in your screen while you are in the app, okay? You tap on it. You see there. Now, as soon as you tap on this round thing is going to show. So what the next thing you're going to do is to click right on this little thing, this particular nugget. You click on it. All right, now you've clicked on it, okay? Now this is the tool that you are going to click on, this particular one. Where you see this F at the bottom, right here in this nugget, you click on it. All right, now after clicking on it, just swipe your screen from the bottom down to the top. Now, if you want to know that the tool has been enabled into your screen, just look at the top here. It will always show right here at the top. All right, it will always show right here at the top. Now you can see here now that the screen, the tool has shown right here. This is the Fibonacci retracement level. Now these are the current key levels that a lot of traders normally use. They make use of the 23.6 key level, they make use of the 38.6 2 key level, they make use of the 50.0 key level, and they make use of the 61.8 key level and the 78.6. all right, let me expand it so that you see it perfectly. I hope you are seeing it perfectly. All right, you can see it perfectly. Okay, now in case you want to learn how to, or you want to add more key levels of your choice based on your preferences, but these are the current key levels that I advise you use as a trader. These are the current key levels I advise you use as a trader. But in case you want to add more key levels to the indicator, this is what you have to do. Just click on this little sign that showed right on your screen. Click on it. Then as soon as you click on it, you can see here now that if you use the MT5, you can see here these are all the key levels in that the indicator is supporting. These are all the key levels that I've recently added, though I added some previously. Now, but these are all where the section where you can see all your key levels. Now, in case you want to add more, just tap on this sign right here. Tap on this sign. Now you can now see here now that this is going to show. Okay, this is going to show. These are all the sections where you can see all the key levels of your choice. Okay, now I want to add another one. Mind you, anyone you add, any key levels you add right here is going to be reflecting right at the bottom. Okay, now in case I want to add another key level, I'll just look up and tap on this little plus button over here. Okay, you tap on it. Now I've tapped on it, you can see here now that extra spaces have been showed right at the bottom. So I tapped on it twice. That is why you can see 2 extra spaces showing at the bottom. Now you can now go ahead and just add any number of your choice that you want to add right here. Okay, you can add any number of your choice, and then you can also add a description. All right, you can add a description of your choice. All right, you can add any description, anything you want to add, just to reflect the number that is here, so that whenever you are trading, you know that the description is showing right where the number is, guys. Okay, all right, so in case you have any question, you can drop your question right at the Telegram group, or just at the comment section. Okay, so now in case you want to increase the length of your indicator, that is, you want to increase the 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 indicator, the size of the indicator, that is the line of the indicator, just drag this to the right. Okay, you can see what I'm doing there. You drag it to the right and then you are good to go. So just tap on the empty space right here to exit, and you can now see the changes have been added right here. Okay, the changes have been added. And now if you also want to add to change the line or the line of this indicator, let's say you want to change it to yellow and also change this one to yellow, you can also do it right there in that section. Okay, so what you have to do now is still go back to that particular section and configure the changes. Now, based on your questions, I will know the next video to drop. But if this video was very helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Okay, meanwhile, if you want to use this indicator, how I use it is that I'll just trace it over to the higher high at above here, and then I'll drag it down to the bottom. Now this is the perfect way on how to use the indicator. This market is currently at a high, at a higher high momentum right here. Okay, and if you zoom the screen a little bit far away, you can see here that the market is currently in a bullish trend. Now if you want to use this indicator right here, I can also use this indicator by dragging it right at the bottom right here. Now if you want to use it, always drag this at the bottom, set this top one to at the current high. At the current high, you learn to set it at the current high. Okay, now this is the current high and this is the current low. This is the current low. So let's say here's the current low and here is the current high. So if I drag my indicator from the in order for you to use to be using this indicator perfectly, always learn to practice with it. And if you want to use it perfectly to give you the accurate reading, always learn to drag the indicator from the current high down to the current low. Okay, now if you drag it from the current high down to the current low, just pay attention to the key levels that I told you. Now you can see here now that the market reversed, pulled back a little bit in the 61.8 and then dipped a little bit down and then went back up. All right, so this is how to use this indicator. If this video was very helpful, don't forget to share, because sharing is caring. See you in the next video.